Hi, my name is Minna Santaoja and I work as a postdoctoral researcher at TIAS, Turku Institute of Advanced Studies. My background is in environmental policy, so I'm an environmental social scientist, and I am currently placed at the Finland Futures Research Center, which is part of the Turku School of Economics. And there is an emphasis on research on sustainable development, so I found my place easily there. And my project in TIAS is called Envisioning the Role of New Technologies in Shaping Human-Nature Relationships. So I am interested in different ways of knowing nature, different ways of acquiring data, knowledge on biodiversity, and then the question of role of technology in acquiring information on biodiversity. So by technology, I mean, for example, different databases or the mobile devices that we have in our pockets, mobile applications, and also social media. So these kind of technologies, they provide a lot of new opportunities for citizens to participate in gathering data on biodiversity. But then the question becomes that does our relationship with nature change when it's increasingly technology mediated? So does it become sort of more instrumental or more kind of commodified? So these are the questions that I'm addressing in my project. And another thing is what we discuss a lot in TIAS. TIAS is an interdisciplinary unit, so people come from very different backgrounds, which is richness, but then how to work together, how to do interdisciplinary work. And I think the kind of challenges that we are facing in today's society, that it's increasingly complex, they require interdisciplinary research and interdisciplinary knowledge generation. And TIAS provides good opportunities for that. And I am really grateful for this period of being allowed to take my time in first wrapping up kind of previous projects. So writing up stuff that have been kind of gathering on my desk from previous projects, but then also to think forward, where do I really want to go with my work, with my research and with my research career. So in terms of interdisciplinarity, I have, for example, been planning collaborative project with ecologists. So thinking together how to live in harmony with non-human other species. In, for example, wasps, like species that we find harmful. And another form of interdisciplinary work is I have been collaborating with some artists. Also, I have been inviting in some artistic projects, and that's really inspiring and fascinating. Like to think of the role of arts as well in kind of shaping our relationship to nature and thinking of new hopeful futures. So welcome to TIAS.